Hi, today in this video I'm going to show you how to find out shipments with discrepancies and how to apply for reimbursement. So let's dive in. Okay, so I'm going to click on inventory, then shipments, and you can see all the shipments you have in front of you. And then you see status here. Simply click on the status and choose only closed option, because Amazon will do the investigation for reimbursement only once the shipment is closed. Now you see I have opened all the shipments which are closed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select 100 per pages, and then okay, one more thing created, let's short okay, this way the latest created shipments will be here. And then what you can do, you can download these shipments one by one. So let me download these set of shipments visible here for now. So you see export table data. Once you click on here, it is downloaded. What you can do, you can go to the next page and download again if you have a lot of shipments to work on, and then simply go at and open these both sheets. Let me open, so you can see both are opened here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all from here and paste it in the one. Okay, let me remove this from here. Okay, it is pasted. Now let me delete this thing, we don't need it. And now you can see these many shipments we have. So what I do is I create a column. You can give it a name like this. I like to name like test discrepancy. So simply equal to units located minus units shipped, and then now let's put a filter here. Filter test minus. We are not going to work on the shipments which have received some extra. Let's not waste time on that. Let's work on the shipments which have received less than expected. So you can see 100 units were sent and 99 units were received, and here 36 were sent and 25 units were received. By the way, I need to by the way, I need to appreciate my team. You can see these many shipments. We got issues only for one shipment, major issues only with one shipment. So now I'm going to find out this shipment and open this. So problems occurred. Let's see what is going on with this shipment. Problem. Okay, what is the name? Okay, this is sent by us. Okay, Hassan, Amazon barcode missing. So FNSQ is missing for 21 units. Contents. Okay, so we can figure out that later, but for now what we can do is we can simply research, click on research missing unit, and then we need to provide the proof of inventory ownership, which is invoice. So once we provide the invoice and then few information like whatever we want to know, whatever we want to let the support team know, we can provide all the information here and hit on submit. Once we submit this, Amazon is going to research on the missing unit and going to find it out. And if they will not find out the missing unit, they will simply process reimbursements. So 11 units here and 21 units. 21 units were not having Amazon barcode. So whatever the issue is, if the barcodes were missing, they will be sent to stranded inventory, and if these are missing, Amazon is going to search for them, and if there's no an issue, just Amazon lost those units, Amazon is going to give us reimbursement. So this is how easy to find out the shipments with discrepancies, and this is how easy to apply for reimbursement. One pro tip here I would like to share is always try to apply for reimbursements, apply for investigation within the first 7 days, which means you need to check for discrepancies every week, because the more you delay this, Amazon support team is going to take more time on in eventually if you delay more than a month, chances are lower that you will get reimbursement. So yeah, this is how it works. I don't know why they do this, but this is how it works, and I have tested it a lot of times. So yeah, that's it. That's how it works.